Alright, so we made gun game recently, NERF gun game 1.0, please check that out. And this video is gonna be something related to that. Yeah, so I'm gonna be breaking down every scene that how we made NERF gun game 1, starting now. Boy, it's hot in here. Comment down right now, guys. Hurt or no hurt? I'm gonna just remove it right now. It's just so freaking hot in here. Or maybe it's just due to me. Hashtag cringe. My god. Frick. Guys, are you ready for this?
Bye, have a great time.
Alright, let's start. 2 1 go. Okay, go.
Okay.
Alright, I didn't know that Om would mistakenly throw the dart down, which was probably not his fault though, but since it was one of the first takes that we did and ended up being a bummer.
3, 2, 1, go. Alright, take waste. Okay. Hala.
So I had to hit Om, so I had to run towards him and hit him, but suddenly this guy appears from somewhere. I still didn't know that he was there. I thought he was back of me.
అంతేరా చాలరా ఒక్కటే ఇక్కడ ఉంటావా ఇటు సైడ్ నుంచి రా ఇటు సైడ్ నుంచి వస్తావా ఇటు సైడ్ నుంచి ఫ్రంట్కి రా కాస్తా తర్వాత మళ్ళీ మీరు నాకు కాల్చొచ్చు అప్పుడు చెప్తాను ఎప్పుడు దీంట్లో 3 ఉంటాయి కదా ఒకటి ఫ్రంట్ నుంచి తర్వాత చెప్తాను అదే తర్వాత.
Alright, this is the part where I explain stuff how to do that, but Andrew doesn't get it first, then he tries to not gun nuts first of all. So Om didn't know much about Nerf guns, so does many others. I think mostly more than anyone, Vikram and Anirudh is more familiar with Nerf guns. Of course, even me.
3, 2, 1 ఓకే రా ఇక లూట్ చేసుకో. అరే అరే షార్ట్ సరిగ్గా రాలేదురా. ఓకే గో. అరే మీరిద్దరు.
Well, this is the part where Andrew again does what he did last time. He didn't understand the take at all. The sanitization.
Take it hand. Sanitization is very important. Bloopers lost in that. Bloopers lost first. Are
I think we did this video in the ending of lockdown, so we just followed all the safety measures as possible.
Okay. Are ani rara.
Hey, notes పడుకో. నువ్వు అక్కడే ఉంటారు.
ఇక్కడ వచ్చే కష్టం రా. లేరా కనబడట్లే ఆడ గుద్దొస్తాను నా భయం.
Alright, the take was that Om has to come around this pillar thingy and he has to shoot me, which was actually a kill cam. I had to come around as fast as possible while he shoots me. I mean, it's kind of like an element of surprise. So nice.
Retake.
These two guys tried to sneak around and shoot with Nerf guns, which in fact they did right now as shown. Actually Andrew actually shoots him near the eye, which actually was pretty. He wore specs which actually protect him from his eyes. where I wear.
ఓం నువ్వు వెనకాలకి దూ. ఓకే ఓకేదా?
First of all, sorry Om for hitting in the face. 100 likes and we'll get hit in the face 10 times. And secondly, under that face.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. అరే ఇంకా స్లో రాదే.
రా. అరే నీకు అర్థం కాలేదా? కింద ఇక్కడే పడిపోరా అన్నాను.
Didn't understand. He thought he would come there and move around to me while I shoot him. Yeah, it might sound confusing though, but I told him to die near this vent thingy, but he didn't.
గుడ్ నైట్ ఓం.
రే స్టార్ట్ చేసాను రా. సరే స్టార్ట్ అంటున్నప్పుడు రా. అరే నువ్వెందుకు రా పడుతున్నాను?
So this shot consisted of two parts where Andrew kills Om while I shoot Om, and then he upgrades to a next weapon and then he tries to shoot me, but I kill him instead. So that didn't work out 2 to 3 times. Then he understood.
పడిపో. అరే ఓం నువ్వెందుకు వచ్చావు? నువ్వు రాకురా.
Well, I thought we could get the perfect takes, but Om kept sneaking like water in the video. Oh my god. He tried to do that 2 to 3 times, then we succeeded.
దాయికే ఉన్నారా?
Well, you might be thinking, what is there on that? Well, it's our arch nemesis.
అంటాగా.
Even in the episode 1, I hid under the couch. Mistakenly, even in this time, where my mouth mount kinda like it came out, it got torn. This is actually a paper piece. Actually, Om had to hold camera like this. Actually, we don't use camera, we use phone. So he hold the camera like this, so I couldn't see what's down there. I mistakenly hit under the couch at the time, so sorry. Yes, 1 like is equals to 1% of survival for me, because these guys are gonna kill me right now. Jeez, freaking vehicles, man. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and also check out these 2 videos right here, and also the subscribe button. Hit it, it's not that hard, and I'll see you guys next time. Until then, what up?